engineered to the highest safety and manufacturing standards. Polinovel lithium forklift batteries are the top-notch solution for industrial vehicles. Built with brand new high-capacity cells, they offer superior power discharge, long cycle life, and enhanced performance. Our batteries are offered in various sizes and configurations, and equipped with smart battery management system to deliver reliable power and boost productivity in material handling operations. They have been applied to various industrial vehicle models from Toyota, Yale, Hyster, Hyundai, Crown, and many other brands. For unique vehicle requirements, we offer OEM solutions to meet exact specifications and maximize energy efficiency and performance. For more details, please contact us at sales@polinovel.com.